Someone asks the question, the ulama view on Hitler. He fought Zionism, France. That is incorrect. Hitler did not actually fight Zionism. Hitler did Zionism a favor. That is how I view Hitler. Hitler's unjust persecution of young children, taking young children to the gas chambers. What is the difference between us and Zionists? The Zionists, like Benjamin Netanyahu, when they see a Palestinian child, they believe that that child can be shot and killed, can be put to death. But the Muslim, when he sees a Jewish child, sees an innocent child, does not see a target. And it was false. Piers Morgan, take note, you fake journalist. It was false news that children were killed. There was only one fatality of a child dying, unfortunately, and that was by accident, and we do not, collateral, and we do not even know who carried out that fatality. It could have very well have been the IDF with the indiscriminate bombing of the Kabet, when they bombed the compounds of the Jewish inhabitants indiscriminately in order to kill the fighters. They ended up killing Jewish people as well. So Hitler, my friend, was a zalim, an oppressor, and we view him as an oppressor. We do not view Hitler as a champion of the people, as a hero, like we do not view other dictators as champions of the people. An oppressor, a zalim is a zalim. A person who commits zulm, oppression, is a zalim. Hitler was a zalim. Like Benjamin Netanyahu, the modern day Hitler. The only difference is that you do not have a mustache, but both of you are from Europe. So the ulama do not view Hitler in a favorable light.